Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to explain you Canon printer, ink tank as laser printer. Okay, now you see on screen laser printer. Laser printer is used for office, business and high volume printing printer. This is advantage is fast printing, sharp text, low maintenance. Customer need to speed and consistency. Okay, ink tank printer is best for home user, small offices, color printing. Advantage is very low cost per page, easy refilling, ideal customer price regularly but not in bulk. Okay, both printer is different. Okay, for use. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.